It's really interesting what you said at the beginning, when you said, I can't do things that I think I should be doing at this point.
Yes,
It's quite interesting. We've got these two kind of factors here. We've got what you can do right now and what you feel you should be able to do. So frustration equals expectation minus reality.
Yes, totally.
Exactly. So what that means, for people who don't understand, is however much you expect to be able to do minus however much you actually can do right now is how much frustration is left over. Where what you're actually doing doesn't match what you expect to be able to do. That's what causes frustration. So where do you think your expectations come from yourself? So is it from your past self, teachers, other pianists, perfection? We've already mentioned your previous instruments.
I think anybody starts learning an instrument, they like some music, they want to be able to play some music. And I have like beginner students that sometimes they bring a piece to me, I want to play this, but it's well beyond the technical skill. So it's going to be quite frustrating for them to learn that because they won't be able to play that. And I'm feeling that with myself as well. So I'm having to go through some easier pieces, but then even the easier pieces, sometimes the coordination is still not there. So